What's up, guys? We got a Chevy Camaro. As we all know, this car is being stolen all over the United States. This is his second one that got stolen. So he gave us a call on this. I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. Nothing happens. You see, car doesn't start. Okay. And by the way, this is I know there's people that do fuel pump cutoff and all that. That's kind of illegal in the United States because of the fact that if you're doing 80 miles an hour and God forbid something goes wrong with that unit and cuts off your fuel, your car stalls out and you're gonna probably hit the power steering can lock up, and it can be pretty dangerous to have a car stall out like that at a high speed like that. So those type of kill switches that they do ignition or fuel pump, that's a no-no. So basically the way it works is this one works.
Press 6. To cancel this message, press star. To send this message now, press pound or hang up.
Sorry about that. Our phones were going off. But anyway, this is a starter disabler. So the best way to do it is with the starter, because you all know that the starter's only at the point of cranking. You don't need a starter once the car is running. You can literally go underneath the car and remove the starter and throw it in the garbage, and the car has to stay running. It's only at the point of cranking. So yeah, so in order to get the car started, you're gonna hit this fob, the button at the top, and now the car will start right up. Okay. Again, you turn it off. You don't have to do absolutely nothing. Close the door, walk away. It will automatically engage itself in 40 seconds. The only thing you really have to do when you come back is just press the top button. So let's say you go for the dealer or you at a car show and you want to disable this whole thing altogether. You're gonna hit the top bottom button, and that will allow you to start the vehicle 10 times without having to hit the fob at all. That's what you do when you leave it in for a wash or a dealer or window tints or whatever you're gonna get done. So that way you don't have to explain this to anybody. And then once you get the car back, you can let the 10 cycles run out and it will automatically engage itself. Or if you want to put it back right away and then you hit bottom top instead of top bottom, you're going to hit bottom top, and that will take it out of valet mode, and you'll be able to enjoy the comfort of having your car secure, and and you don't have to worry about somebody jumping in the middle of the night and taking off. Plug and play. It will take you maybe 5 or 6 minutes to do it. We don't tell anybody, anything, how it works or nothing, for security reasons. It wouldn't be fair for the other people that bought them. But it is a brilliant kit, the way it's designed. You just got to give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. You give us the make and model and year of your vehicle, and we'll be able to program and put a kit together for you. It does come with 2 fobs, so it's better to have 2 fobs with the kit. We do sell them with 1 fob, but it's better with 2 fobs because, in case one remote control ever goes bad, you have another one that you can carry on for a long time. If you ever lose the remote controls, you need to unplug the unit, reverse the process, and ship it back to us, and then we'll be able to reprogram new fobs to your kit. But this is the batteries will last a few years. You can always separate with get one of those flathead screwdriver separated, and it's going to be a small little battery inside.